We are wrapping up our week-long look at rebuilding Mississippi with a look into the future. We have focused on the pandemic's impact to our economy, response to natural disasters, and education. Tonight, a look at the lessons learned. When COVID-19 first hit Mississippi, the big concern was, would it overwhelm our healthcare system? That question drove much of the early response.
Through the process, we've learned a lot about what our capacity, surge capacity, and our various hospital capacities have been, and we've seen hospitals really come together.
Dr. Alan Jones is part of the COVID-19 command team at UMMC. He says the healthcare community has been working together from day one.
You know, I think we've seen a lot of very great teamwork in a state that oftentimes is dismissed as, a state that is underserved and under resourced. But we've taken the best we can with that and come together.
The COVID command team meets daily, and being on the front lines allows them to see what's working. Important lessons as the state reopens and the number of cases keeps rising.
We know that as we kind of reemerge into society, we will see the spread of the virus. So I think what we did was we did manage to flatten that peak or, flatten the curve, as people have said, but we're still in the highest portion of the curve. And I don't see that going away anytime soon as people start to interact with each other.
Businesses may be back open, but one economist says how we do business is forever changed, and that may not be all bad.
We're finding the new relationships can be made even stronger and more forceful with each other as we start looking at, well, what is out there? And if I can't come to you, can you come to me?
Brandon is optimistic the economy will eventually pick back up, and there's opportunity for Mississippians who are prepared.
I think it's important for us to really spend some of our time right now and evaluate, where am I? What do I have to bring to the job market? What are my skill sets that are really valuable to people out there? And what can I contribute to a place of business once it's ready to hire again? And people will be hiring again.
Lessons learned now to prepare for an uncertain future. And to see all of our stories on rebuilding Mississippi, go to our website at WJTV.com. We also talk with a number of local mayors from Jackson, Clinton, Vicksburg, and Hattiesburg. You can see those interviews also on our website.